Alright, let me teach you how to design this stunning looking sneaker banner in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Alright, so you know the tradition already. You can start with any document size of your choice. So at this point, click here and then choose gradient. Follow the settings. So file, open, and then choose this, drag to main document, and then drop. Alright, so this is okay. At this point, press Ctrl J to make duplicate of the layer, and then drag it up, and then drag this to the bottom, and then increase the size. Okay. Now reduce the opacity. Alright, this is enough. Now select this layer and then add a new layer on top. The layer added should be dragged to the bottom this way. Click on brush. Choose this as the brush settings, reduce the size, and then make sure the foreground color is black. Now follow as we add a shadow. Now convert the shadow layer with this layer into smart object, and then add a new layer again and then drag to the bottom as we did previously. Still maintain the brush settings but then increase the size a little. Change the foreground color to white and then follow as I demonstrate. Smart object. This okay. Alright, so file, open, and then choose the smoke effect, drag to main document, and then drop. Change the blend mode from normal to linear dot add or screen, any you are good to go. Press Alt on your keyboard and make Okay, so file and then open the next image, which is this, a faded wall, a faded background. Drag onto main document. Okay, this is okay. Now let's change the blend mode to any reasonable one. I think the overlay is okay. Soft light is also not bad. Now reduce its opacity. It's okay. Make sure the layer is selected. Click to select your brush tool, and then let's make some corrections in here. Okay, so what is next? Let's start by adding our text. Choose Arial as the font type, and then choose bold. Make sure the font color is white. Then type. Let's format this text a little. And then draw. Reduce the size a little. Hold Alt and then make this duplicate to the bottom, and then type. Change this font to Nexa. Alright. And then reduce the size of this a little. Make duplicate to the bottom and then type. Okay, so we are gradually coming to the end of the tutorial. What is next? Click to select the rectangle tool or the rectangular tool, and then follow as I demonstrate. Now convert the shapes into smart objects, and then hold on to make duplicate to the top as well. Alright, so this is okay. Alright, so file and then open. Click to select the Nike logo and then drop. Move your mouse pointer to select and then choose subject. Now add a layer mask. Now drag to main document and then drop. We are supposed to make the Nike logo white, so make sure the it layer is selected. Click on adjustment layer and then choose solid color, and then hold Alt, or you can just right click and then choose create clipping mask, and then convert the two layers into smart objects. Okay, now layer style and then choose drop shadow. Follow the settings. Then drop. This okay. We are gradually coming to the end of the tutorial. Alright, so looking at this, you can choose to move this logo to this side, or either leave it to its previous position. It's still the same. Okay, so one last thing, file open, then choose the light tray, drag to main document and then drop. The blend mode to linear dodge add screen. corrections in here. Now filter, blur, and then ocean blur. Alright, so you can choose to reduce the radius to your liking, or increase it to your liking, then click on OK. And this is the final result. I guess you have learned something new. Do not forget to keep subscribing to this unique channel for more intuitive content like this. See you next time. Bye bye.